it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I am going to be talking about something that is so popular on TikTok, Instagram, everywhere right now, and everybody's talking about it. I finally decided, after seeing everyone's comments about it, that I needed to buy one and check it out for myself and see if this product is really worth it or not. And I am talking about the Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil. I have been seeing this product all over my TikTok feed, and I finally just kind of gave in and was like, you know what, maybe I should purchase one, because I have been on the lookout for a really good lip product, something that's kind of glossy but at the same time will kind of give your lips a little bit of a plump and a little bit of a glow. So I'm going to be trying out this product with you guys, and I'm going to be kind of talking about the process of ordering this product from Dior and which colors you should get and like all the colors on the website. And I'm just going to be giving you a full-on review about this fun little product. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So if you've been watching my videos for a little while now, you'll know that on Black Friday I went to Ulta and I had this whole fiasco of buying this like lip plumping gloss, and I had to return it because it wasn't really on sale, and then I ended up ordering it online. And then when it came in and I tried it out, I really didn't like it. It ended up being so painful to put on, and it was like a plumping gloss, so every single time that I applied it, it felt like I had like pepper on my lips, and I feel like I was just gonna get like an allergic reaction. So I just kind of want to like steer clear of that product. And then I recently went and looked up reviews, and they had like really bad reviews on the product, and everybody said that it was just like too painful and like it shouldn't be that bad, like putting that on your lips. So I just immediately returned it and got rid of it. So I was still on the lookout for some sort of like glowing lip product that would work really well, but at the same time wouldn't cause me to be in pain all throughout the day in order to plump my lips. So while this is not a plumping gloss, it is like a glow oil. So I feel like it still does the same job of like making my lips look more defined and glowing and just like pretty and sparkly. So I have tried out some other products in the past besides that Ulta lip gloss that I was just talking about. I also recently just tried like a Wet n Wild little gloss from Walmart, and this one, it works, but I feel like it doesn't last too long. And then also throughout high school, I used this generic little Sephora lip gloss, and it was pretty and sparkly, but I felt like after a while of wearing it, it would like clump up and like produce these like weird clumps on my lips, and it didn't look really cute. So I haven't used that one in a while. I'm going to show you guys everything that I got when I ordered this Dior lip oil. It came in this really cute bag. It comes with like a detailed Dior bow that like ties whenever you have to like untie it to open it. And then it also just comes with like this receipt, and I feel like this is so fancy. Like it came in this Dior envelope thing that looks so fancy. If you order this Dior straight from Dior online, you get to customize like a note to yourself. So it was just kind of like a gift to myself. So it says, "Happy 2023, hope you have a great year." I don't know why it put the year on the third line by itself. It's so cute. And I have this little Dior envelope with my message to myself, because why not? Then it also comes with a cute Dior bag, like a drawstring bag that you can kind of keep jewelry on. Like when I go on vacations, I feel like I'll use this to put all my jewelry in. So when I ordered, I feel like there's like some little secrets that I should let you guys in on. I feel like ordering from Dior is honestly just the best thing to do, like ordering directly from Dior. If you sign up for their little like club, and you can like receive emails and text messages from them, and they sent me like a little deal where if I ordered something for the first time, I got free shipping, and then I got this Dior Show Maximizer 3D, which is basically like a lash primer serum. So you would put this on beforehand, before you do your mascara. I used it today, and it just like kind of primes your lashes and makes them a little bit fuller and bolder. And then they also let me choose 2 samples as well. So I got this firming and wrinkle correcting cream. I don't know if I'm gonna use this, but if not, then I'll give it to my mom. I got a second little sample, and this is the J'adore perfume from Dior. This one smells really good. It smells like a very fancy perfume. So I got 2 samples from them, and then I also got this free lash primer, which is really nice because I was going to order straight through Sephora, I think is what has this. It's either Sephora or Ulta. I can't remember. I'll write it once I figure it out. But after looking at like the shipping price and not really getting anything extra for free on the side with it, compared to Dior, I was like, I'll just order it straight from Dior. Then I have my lip glow oil. So I just took it straight out of the box. This is in the color 000. I think they go 000 and then there's like 001 and they just keep going up. But this one is 000. I just wanted a clear gloss because sometimes when I get like colors or pigments to it, it doesn't really match like my outfit every day or just the look that I'm going for. So I feel like just going with like a clear gloss, it's just gonna get the job done for every day and it matches every look that you may want to do. So it comes with a pink applicator, which is literally the best applicator that I've ever had in any makeup product ever. It feels like you're putting like butter on your lips, like with the applicator. It's so smooth and it just does the job so perfectly. So I don't have anything on my lips. I just did my makeup, but I left my lips bare and I'm just going to put this on it. So I decided to like dip it back in for my top lip and then like I did like a separate dip for my bottom lip. It is so pretty and glowy. I've seen like a few reviews on TikTok of people saying that it doesn't last that long or they just feel like it only lasts for 10 minutes. But in my opinion, I think this product really lasts for a very long time. The other day I went out with my family and we went and ran a few errands and I was out for a good 3-4 hours and it was still on by the time I got home and like it lasted for the rest of the night until I had to take my makeup off. I feel like you could like apply it twice a day and it would stay a little bit better, but in my opinion it does last a long time, so it's worth it for that aspect. So I like how this one is just like clear with a little bit of like glow and gloss to it. I've seen a few other colors and to me like they kind of all look the same. There's like a few pigments that look a little bit different, but this one is just my favorite one. I did a little bit of like research on TikTok and just kind of looked at people getting different colors just to try to see like which one I really wanted, and then after seeing them I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go with the basic clear. And they also have 001, which is like a light pink color. Then they have a coral color, a berry, a raspberry, a rosewood, a cherry, and a mahogany. So they do have some different options. There are 8 options altogether and they're all $38. Another thing that I have seen on TikTok that I thought was so cool with this product is that you can get like your name engraved on the side of your bottle. I don't know how you do that. I think maybe it's in like the actual like Dior stores. Maybe they can do that for you because I didn't see anything about it online. So on the side of the box, it says that it gives you more beautiful lips even bare after 5 days of application. So it says like if you put this on for 5 straight days, you should have just like fuller, more like plumped lips and glowing lips. So I have been using this, but I haven't used it 5 days in a row yet. So maybe once I do that, I will see a difference. It does kind of hydrate your lips, but after I was done like putting it on for the very first time, I feel like I had really dried out lips. Maybe it was because my lips weren't like used to a product like that, so I had to put some chapstick on. But recently I've still been using it and it kind of got better. I don't like feel like my lips are dehydrated as much, so I think it's just maybe like the first time you put it on. Yeah, that was just something that I had realized for the first time when I put it on. Since it is the end of my little review, I'm going to rate this product out of 10 and I give it, drum roll please, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. I feel like that's harsh for my kind of reviews, but I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. I love the color. I love just like the whole pigment of it. I love how glossy it makes me look. I feel like it plumps my lips like the perfect amount, so I don't look like I have too full of lips. Like it's just perfect for my face. But the reason why I'm giving it a 9 out of 10, my reason for my 1 point off, is just that it's a little bit pricey, especially with tax and shipping. Once you put it in, it could be about $40 depending on where you order it from, $45. Second is I didn't like how it dried out my lips that first time because I was feeling really dehydrated and I started like peeling right here a few days ago, and I don't know if it was like from that, but I just like was like peeling at the edge of my lips. All in all, 9 out of 10. I heard there are a lot of Amazon dupes, so if you're looking for a product just like this but you don't exactly want to like spend the money on it, there's tons of dupes all over Amazon. I'm not saying like don't buy this one, I really recommend it, but if you are looking for something a little bit cheaper but still gets the job done, there's probably like a ton of dupes out there on Amazon that you can check out. That was my review of the Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil. I hope you guys enjoyed this and it will kind of help you guys figure out which color you may like. So I thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content every single week. So I'm going to keep applying this at least 20 times a day because I am addicted to the Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil. And I will see you guys all in my next video.